Hello again, Chris Smith with Modern Trailer Sales in Anderson, Indiana here. Now we're going to take a look at a 2022 Forest River Vibe Model 26BH. This is a multi-sleeper camper or bunkhouse, if you will. Right at 30 foot, give or take, overall length. Weighs about 6,300 pounds empty. It is aluminum frame with bonded fiberglass walls. So moving from front to back here, the Vibe's going to come standard with a front power jack, power stabilizing jacks, a huge front pass-through storage compartment.
I don't think which model you got.
We have a power awning with LED lights. And the Vibe comes standard with the solid step, much wider profile, a lot more stable, folds right up into the doorway, real easy to use and lightweight. You got outside speakers standard. And on this particular model, we have a small refrigerator and a sink. And then if you pull this on out will slide an induction cooktop. So you have a cooktop sink and a refrigerator out here. The Vibe also features spread axle design, which makes the trailer tow a lot more stable than their traditional axles. And this is a double door, obviously. So let's go on inside here. Vibe features a nice, bright, modern-looking interior. Got your grays on white and black. Moving on around here, there's your super slide. You've got the hide-a-bed that makes a bed. And then the big horseshoe dinette that makes a large bed. And then this model has two oversized bunks in the back. Both are rated around 300 pounds. So an adult can sleep there. And then in your kitchen, good storage space, nice deep farm style stainless steel sink. Tall and deep overhead cabinets. And then you have a huge LCD TV and a fireplace below. Just inside the door, you have this pantry. And then you have another large pantry just behind the kitchen. You have a big bathroom, large shower, upgraded pedal flush toilet, vanity with a good sized sink, nice deep sink. You can get your hands down in there to wash them. And then your medicine cabinet. And there I am again. This model features ducted heat and ducted air, and it also has an insulated and enclosed underbelly. So let's move up to the front bedroom. You have your queen bed. You've got nightstands on both sides with power, USB charger, and a large closet with hanging totes. You do have lift-up storage on the bed as well. The Vibes come standard with the solar panel and charge control. So you can primitive camp. As a matter of fact, right now I'm sitting with just the solar panels, operating the lights. You can operate your refrigerator, your lights, your blower motor for your furnace. You can still have hot water. Many of the features in your camper you can operate while primitive camping with the solar. Very big windows, let in a lot of natural light. Again, I'm in a 2022 Forest River Vibe, model 26BH. I'm Chris Smith with Modern Trailer Sales. You should come take a look at this one. This is a great family unit. Again, it's fairly lightweight, only weighs 6,300 pounds, so most half-ton trucks are going to tow it. And oh yeah, all of my new travel trailers and fifth wheels are going to come with our exclusive lifetime warranty. Come see us.